Hey guys, 360 Mix here with another video and another case mod. We're case modding a ProX case for a DDJ-1000srt controller. The front of the case has your power input, left, microphone, zone, booth, and right. And there's two plates that are going to cover these two here, but don't have those in. This is the inside. We have a Sennheiser wireless on this side, which is mic 2 and then mic 1. And power connections are all here on this side, as you can see. All the wires are color coded as always and labeled. So you have left, right, your power supplies for your mics. Everything is strapped down so it doesn't move around. Labels also, mic 1, mic 2, and here is the one for your handheld. My antennas are right here. 1, 2, right there. So they're all exposed. Power, everything is tie wrapped and tied in together. So that's another case mod for a ProX case with an DDJ-1000srt.